Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your course on Duolingo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To delete your course on Duolingo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Duolingo application. The official page of Duolingo application will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the bottom of the page. Click on little gear icon at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and tap on manage courses option. On the next page, to delete your course on Duolingo, tap on remove option. Confirm deletion of your course on Duolingo by tapping on remove. This is how you can remove or delete your course on Duolingo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.